Yo, what's up? Good afternoon, everyone. Kape. What's up? What's up? Good afternoon, people from the tribe and To Trade Asia. Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Sa mga taga Cebu, happy fiesta, Sinulog, guys. So, medyo for the past few days, medyo brutal yung yung traffic dito sa Cebu because of the event, but I hope you guys are safe. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, let's get into it. Let's see kung sino yung yung mga movers for today. What's the condition with the market? But before we start, of course, shout out muna. Ay, music tech. Ano ba yan? Yung music natin, asa? Before we start, shout out muna kay Boss Oliver Austria. Yuri, good vibes, good vibes. Good afternoon. Okay, very good. Si Fabian Cyrus andito din. What's up, Joshua B. Garcia? What's up, Rich XD? Hello, sir. Alfred Sistoso. Dito din si Boss Ron Armas. Makikimarites kay Miss Market. We have Heidi from Australia. Hi, Miss Heidi. We miss you. Paul Tamayo is here as well. Cyrex is here as well. What's up? What's up? Andrel Reich. Hello, sir. Lioven is here. What's up? What's up? Paul De Luna, check. We have Francis Albert. He is here as well. What's up? Paul Olado. Good afternoon, boss. Good afternoon, sir. Sabi ni Clark Dizon. Good afternoon, sir. SCC and Mark po, please. Okay, tignan natin yan mamaya, boss. Nikolai Manzano is here as well. Hello, good afternoon. Elmer, good afternoon. Si Almer, andito din. Check, Boss Yuri. RR Padrones. Hi, Coach. Good afternoon. Hi din sa'yo, Nika. Si Nika ba to? Si Rika pala. Si Daniel Robintan. Happy New Year, sir. Marlon is here as well. Good afternoon. Vera Jane. Good afternoon. And then we have John Harry Eldefonso. Good afternoon. Dito din pala si Bletot Santos. What's up? What's up? So, ayun guys. Medyo masaya yung PSE traders for the last few days, for the last few weeks. Green yung port. I'm pretty sure. Pero pag red yung port, ewan ko, di ko sure. Kung red yung port nyo, nakakapagtaka guys. Kung ganun man yung nangyayari sa inyo. Hopefully not, no? But, yeah. Also, I'm not gonna be alone for today. I'll be with someone very special. Mag-face reveal yung tech natin. So, guys, help me welcome our tech for To Trade Asia and ZFT charting session. Rolando Bocton. Ay, si Lando.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Ayun. Kumusta ka, Boss Lando? What's up? Anong mga ganap mo sa buhay ngayon?
Okay lang naman ako. Tapos parang ang saya na makita na si Sun, no? From simula nag-New Year, ngayon pa lang nagpakita yung araw.
Simula last year, ngayon ka rin nagpakita sa amin. So guys, ayan po kagwapo yung tech natin. By the way, hindi na po yan single, so sorry girls. Taken na yan. Masaya, inaalagaan. Inaalagaan na yan. Sana all.
Ikaw pala, Sir Yuri. Wala ba?
I'm good. Okay, let's get into it. So, I'll be sharing my screen and Boss Lando here would help us out. Filter some stocks, give comments regarding what stocks he's looking at and ano yung mga iba pang tinitingnan niya. Alright, so let's get into it. PSE market muna tayo. What's going on for the last couple of weeks? So, like I've mentioned before, no, nagkaroon tayo ng bottoming out sa Philippine market at this range, this level. This was like after breaking the support level, huge. I mean, significant support over here, breakdown, and then afterwards, very classic, nagkaroon ng trap and then made reversal. So majority ng mga stocks that made reversals actually are blue chips. So if titignan niyo yung mga blue chips natin, sobrang lakas. We have AGI, MBT, BDO, MBT, AP, and all the likes. JFC, mga ganyan. Ang daming nag-move. So looking at it on a macro perspective, I have, kung babalikan niyo yung charting session natin for the last month, I've already told you na baka magkaroon tayo ng run, no? But I was not expecting actually na ang run na yon sobrang malakas. I thought that run's gonna start maybe around Feb. But the market proved me wrong. Nagkaroon tayo ng just a quick retracement and afterwards, medyo zoom in natin. Medyo malaki pala tong chart ko. Wait lang, saglit guys. Ayan. Alright. So, nagkaroon tayo ng run up. Now, you may think na, okay na ba yung Philippine market? Bull market na ba? Et cetera. So, looking at it, we are still under a range, no? So, we are not on an uptrend yet. On a macro perspective, if you're gonna look at the weekly chart, we are far from an uptrend market. We are in a sideways market. So looking at it, diba downtrend yan dito at banda? So we have a downtrend movement. Yan. So right now, hindi na siya downtrend. Okay, the Philippine market is out of the woods, meaning hindi na siya downtrend. Okay? But it's not uptrend either. Micro uptrend, itong mga, if you're gonna take up the daily chart, magkakaroon tayo ng series of higher highs, higher lows, uptrend micro, but on a macro perspective, we're still on a sideways movement. So kailangan niyang i-beat currently levels that we're looking at would be 6,450 levels. Ayan yung tinitignan natin. But looking at it, in case the market would visit that level. Currently, we are at 7,000. So I love 7,000. I love you 7,000. Yun ba yun? Basta. So, yan guys. Tama ba, Boss Lando? I love 7,000. Ano sa Marvel? Yun ba yun?
3,000 lang ata yun.
3,000. 3,000 lang pala yun. Nakala ko 7,000. Okay, my bad. So, looking at it, diba, pwede pang mag-range, pwede pang magkaroon ng range yung Philippine market over here, or so if sobrang lakas talaga niya, basagin niya doon and afterwards gonna create a consolidation, because of course this is a V-shaped reversal. Looking at it, V-shape yan. Okay, hindi siya tulad ng other reversals na, say for example, let's take a look at other so say for example here, ganon, very suabe yung niya, pagtakbo. Okay? And just like this, okay, may consolidation pa nangyayari and then afterwards nag-base out and then continue. So nangyayari ngayon, we have a very V-shaped reversal pattern sa Philippine market. Yung consolidation lang nangyayari is this one over here. So most likely, di ko alam, but maybe in the next few weeks or so, we'll have market pullback. But you don't need to worry, because I believe that pullback is not going to be a start of a bear market again. So medyo madami pang takot, but for me, it's already a green signal. The stocks that I'm looking at are green. So yun lang naman yung comment ko about it. But just in case may nangyayari na naman globally. Okay? So, most likely, babalik if the market would be back at 6,170 area. That's going to be dangerous dito. I hope not. And I don't see any reason why the market will go back there. But just in case that happens, again, we're going to be defensive. But right now, we are on sideways market. And of course, on a sideways market, there would be outliers and movers. So we're really excited to see which stocks are we going to trade and which stocks will give us significant gain this year. All right. So goods ba yan, Boss Lando?
Of course.
Agree ka ba doon?
Agree ako sa lahat ng sinabi mo, Sir Yuri.
All right. Very good. So let's get into it. First stock of the day. Alright, so Bloom, sabi ni Boss Lando. So Bloom. So anong nakikita mo dito? On natin yung oops, may mga may mga notes tayo, delete natin. Okay, so what do you think about Bloom?
So itong si Bloom actually kaninang umaga, parang kinabahan ako kasi yung open niya at around 9.24, yung projected open niya was around 8.4. So when the market opened, buti na lang hagag dito lang siya sa 8.8. So kung nagkaroon siguro ng gap down, kumbaga parang I would have sold my positions. Pero right now, na ganyan yung ginawa niya, I'm expecting magkakaroon siya ng magandang consolidation at that area.
Okay. So gap down pala dapat yung open. Pero baka low volume gap down naman. Hindi ko din.
I think that was around 2 million pesos.
Not that significant, I guess.
Yeah.
Because I think tignan ko nga yung value traded ni Bloom. Today, value traded is 51 million, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, so, 51 million.
So 2 million is not that hindi masyadong nakakatakot. Anyway, so Bloom, consolidation. So can I ask paano mo to trade, boss?
So I was
Lando.
So I was buying here on the first week of December. I started buying na after the breakout from that small base.
Okay, this one over here. Hindi. Naalala ko ito.
December 6.
December 6.
Yes.
Okay. And so handle ka pala bumili. Tama.
Yes.
This
and
one.
I added on December 19.
December 19. Okay, ang baba pala ni AP ni Boss Lando Na all. So most likely AP would be around 7:30.
Yes, parang ganun.
Okay, 7:30. So somewhere around here. Alright, so take note guys, paano niya tinade to? We have here, and then another one over here. So AP would be around 7:30. And how do you plan to sell this?
Right now, I'm waiting for the consolidation. So magti-TP ako around 10 siguro. Actually, I already sold some of my shares to protect the gains. And then after that, yung iba, if aabutin yung 10, magsasell ulit ako. But for now, I'm gonna wait for the next move.
Okay. Any trail stops that you're looking at?
For now, it's around 8-10.
8-10. Ang baba.
Yes.
8-10. So dito around 20 MA. Yan. Okay. So ako I still have my Bloom. Almost same tayo ng add. I think this one over here I've bought here and I added some shares over here. So and I think nag-add pa ako onto ng breakout. So I guess my AP was around 750 levels. So doon ko siya dinade. And currently wala akong ginalaw na any shares. I'm still just holding on to it. Looking at it, volume is very good. Yung sell-off niya is very, very light only. So I'm hoping that this stock would just consolidate just above 236 fib levels. So magkakaroon siya ng consolidation for at least a week or two. All right. Habol yung 20 MA and then afterwards try to break out. Initial TP, currently at 10, but maybe if this breaks out at 9:30, baka kaya pang abutin hanggang 11. So tingnan natin. Especially the gaming stocks right now is very, very strong, and I think Bloom is the number one leader for it. The weekly chart naman, looking at it, ayan, ito yung sinasabi ko just around 1 to 2 consolidations with RSI 70 on the weekly chart. Magstay siya dyan, and then consolidate lang siya ng 1 to 2 weeks, and then direkta again pataas. So hopefully ganun yung gagawin. Alright?
Yes. Hopefully.
So hopefully at hindi maging
kumita ng malaki.
Yeah nga, totoo. Gusto na namin kumita ng malaki. So, let's get into the next stock, I guess.
Next stock would be APL.
Uy! Uy! APL agad. Bakit ganon? Boss Lando.
Yung may maghahawak tayo.
Okay. Noted.
Ay, okay. Ay, APL. Sige. Sa'yo pala yan.
APX yung gusto mo ata sabihin.
Okay.
Okay, so since dito na tayo sa APL, i-check na din natin to. So, what about this?
So, right now, nasa support area siya. And after those volumes na nagpakita, parang masasabi nating maraming traders nagte-trade na to. But right now, nasa consolidation siya and yung consolidation niya is drying up, which is a good sign.
All right. So yeah, I definitely agree. This is the first touch, second touch, RSI 70, volume is in, fib levels is maybe around just fib 50, and then hoping for stock to consolidate and maybe break out from this structure over here. So this is a downtrend stock, so don't really huwag ko masyadong umasa. Pero just looking at it, pasok siya sa parameters na hinahanap ko, which is then again RSI 70 touch, volume coming in, dying up volume during pullbacks, and at least two touches. Yun yung tinitignan ko kay APL. So hopefully we'll have a run for this weekly chart. And so weekly chart, ganun siya right now, just hovering at these levels. So yun. So I guess Apex next.
APX.
So what about this?
So, ano siya? Currently, nasa resistance level siya. Kung sa daily chart lang siya titignan. Nasa range pa siya. But, the structure, it's already creating higher highs and higher lows. And yung MAs natin is already AOTS. And all the MAs are all below prices. So, nasa watch list.
Teka lang, wala ka bang hawak nito?
Meron actually.
Okay, sige. Same. So, I bought mine at this level, 199. I'm just holding. I'm not adding yet. Banking, na mag-breakout siya, just create a good box over here. For the past few days, medyo may sell-off tayo nangyari, but good thing, medyo pababa yung volume ng sell-off. So, hopefully, may isang run pa and breakout. Let's see what's gonna happen with this stock. And of course, we have resistances that dito banda. So, this is a multi-year resistance. Meron pa naman dito at 230, but it's not significant anymore. That much compared to the majority of the touches. And currently, breakout siya. So, hoping for a very good run for APX. Personally, I'm just holding for with this stock.
Yes, same.
All right. So next
would be SSI.
SSI. All right. So SSI. So for SSI, breakout siya.
Yes.
Right. Looking at it, we have a very nice breakout over here. Right?
With volume.
So, with a very good volume too. So, nagkaroon tayo ng consolidation over here, breakout, and then again, consolidation. Now, a continuation candle. Zoom out, we still have resistances on the left side. But looking at it, maganda naman yung structure niya, right? And RSI 70 na din siya. So, if you're gonna trade this, are you gonna trend follow this or just sell it?
For now, I would sell at around 180, 185 area. Part of my shares. And if it makes good consolidation and then breakout again, I'm gonna trend follow this stock.
Oh, that's a nice plan. All right. So that is for SSI. Next up.
So yun lang yung mga hawak ko. But I'm currently looking at FCG.
FCG. Oy, ibang FCG ata to. Wait lang here. Okay. FCG.
So right now, resistance niya talaga yung 0.77. It tried to break out today. Pero nag-close siya at 0.77.
Mm,
On the left
okay.
side naman, yung ano niya, baga yung IPO base na lang yung kalaban.
There's one, no?
Yes.
So, gamitan nga natin ng Fibo Bibo to. It's currently at 618 levels. Touch. So, ito yung mga, I think, super play.
Yeah. Yun yung super play.
DNAs. So, touch of ours, 786, and then a consolidation afterwards for a potential run up. And then, like what Boss Lando is saying, is kalaban niya na lang is this one. Very new IPO pa siya. So, baka mabigyan tayo ng good run for this stock. Hopefully, mag-consolidate muna siya dito, I guess.
Yeah. Yung actually, last week I was saying na sana magkaroon siya ng handle before mag-breakout.
Yeah, that's right. I remember. So, unfortunately, hindi tayo nabigyan ng handle. Everyone is buying up this one. So, tingnan natin if there would be any pullbacks, any consolidations that we might be able to catch and still trade this. Right?
Yes.
All right, next.
So, yun lang yung mga tinitingnan ko for now.
Okay. Ano pa ba matinitingnan ko? Tingnan ko nga sa watch list ko. Yeah, nickel. I'm also looking at nickel, I believe. So nickel, after doing a breakout here, consolidated, and then good volume coming up, and then we have a continuation. There is a gap over here if you're gonna take a look at this. Let's see if it's gonna gap fill. And let's see if it's gonna continue. But looking at it, if you're gonna take a look at nickel, it's very good. The structure is very good. It's just that it has resistances on these levels that we're looking at. But overall, goods naman siya. Diba?
Yes. So, baka just like last year, no? January. Nag-run
Although
up
hindi
siya.
dito all-time high, guys, if you're gonna take a look at. So baka mga ganito move ni nickel, maybe, they'll be able to catch at least a 50% move. Tingnan natin if it's gonna do something like that. Right? Coming from this breakout. 15% na siya coming from this breakout. Alright. So, what other stocks that I'm looking at aside from
VUL.
this?
VUL.
Ayan, VUL, true. So, ito, sinabi ko to sinabi ko last week. I'm seeing volume coming up, RSI 70, and then touch of resistance at 105, and then currently CH setup, and then a breakout siya from that setup. So for me, I guess entries for this would be this level over here, breakout, or maybe today. Stop would be any low of this candle over here. So yun, VUL is, I'm not sure what's going on, but nag-breakout siya, so baka mabigyan tayo ng good move for UL.
This is a mining stock.
Di ko sure actually. Mining stock ba to si VUL? Di ko sure.
Vulcan Industrial and Mining Corporation.
Okay. So yeah, I guess kasama siya sa mga mining stocks. Other than that, looking at it, I guess now would be very interesting. From the big run up ni now, volume was coming in, huge buying volume over here, and then andun siya, nag-create ng resistance at 270 area, which is, we're gonna take a look at, dito nagkumpol-kumpol yung order blocks at the left side. So, I'm just hoping to see if 2 pesos holds. 220 holds, that's much better, I guess. If may magkaroon ng major pullback now, what I want to see is like around a month or 2 consolidations over here. Create a base, catch up mo na yung ibang MAs, and then afterwards do a breakout from this. Pero, say for example, eto, mag-breakout siya, bibili ka ba?
Depende if may consolidation pang maliit near the breakout point. Pero if tomorrow diretso siyang mag-breakout, pwede.
Yeah, I think so too. So, yeah, I think so too. Pag nag-breakout siya, pwede pa din siya.
Yes.
Yeah, I guess now is still very good stock to watch. No triggers yet for buying. But we'll see. We'll see. That's for now. And some of the gaming stocks like LR is actually recovering.
Yes.
So looking at this. This was the market leader last September. Karoon ng sunod-sunod na breakout. Nabalik siya sa watch list ko because of this one. We have a break over here and then, resistances na binivisit niya and then this one over here. Right? So I want to see a good structure for this. Anyways, this is not an all-time high stock, so it can still give us like good consolidation, maybe around here and then breakout. So tingnan natin LR if all MAs are down below prices. A stock that's worth looking at. So lalagay ko si LR dito. Watch list natin.
Consolidating above the B50 na sa buong range.
Yeah, true. So if you're gonna range this one, it's basically there above it. PHR is also a gaming stock too, but medyo hindi pa mali, sorry.
Nasa baba
gumagalaw.
pa PHR.
Nasa balaw. Baba pa. LR VCP ba daw si LR? Ay, ibang LR. Ay, shoutout pala kay Miguel. Nabuhay from the grave.
Ang tagal na wala no?
Ang tagal mo na wala. Brad, pero shoutout sa'yo. We miss you. Kaya lang, ngayon ba yung schedule ng Q&A? Or bukas pa?
Bukas pa.
Okay, sige. So, not a clear VCP yet. Hindi siya the usual VCP because the VCP that we want to see is something like this.
Ang tataas pa ng pullback.
Yeah. Mga ganun na VCP. Ito, this range, small range, a bit range, this range. Kaya mga ganyan na structure. At medyo mataas-taas pa yung mga range niya, so I'm not including this as a VCP. So may request dito sino ba yung nag-request? SCC and Mark daw.
Oh, yung kanina, si Clark.
Yeah, Clark. Do I need to say something? Wait lang. Ito tama ba to? Is this it?
Yeah, that's right. That's the
Okay. So, what would you like to say here? For one word.
Yucks.
Okay. So, for me, this is, yeah, I definitely agree. Yuck. Looking at it, I'm sorry, but the stock is not good for trading. Yeah, breakdown siya from here. This is basically, a downward pattern that this stock is creating.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pass on it. Mark.
Yung mga mining,
Sure.
no?
Mining. Nah.
Walang
I guess I'd
movement.
have to pass on it on this too.
There's no volume as well.
Yeah, no volume. It's still in a downtrend. Yeah, I'll say I'd pass on it. FCG APL is already done, Boss Frederick. But let's take a look at JFC. Right, for JFC is still pretty nice, huh? It's just basically consolidating at high levels. If you can take a look at our fibs, it is still above fib of 50. Then right now it's making good transition. So maybe in the next few days we'll see a breakout. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth touch already. So what do you think, JFC?
Yeah, JFC, I think, pwede siyang i-add sa watchlist if mahilig ka sa blue chips.
Yeah. Kami allergic kami sa blue chips. So won't be trading that, guys. We'll have to pass on it. Yeah, if we're going to take a look at the monthly of JFC, pretty nice, right? Pretty decent. So yeah, JFC definitely. If you are planning to trade the blue chips in a long term time frame, go for it. It's another one, MWC pala. Ayan, so we have analyzed this before pala, no? So it's a retest of this level over here, and then currently at tightening consolidation. It's another test over here, but definitely MWC is worth the watch. Volume again coming in. So I think may puruhan na kaya niya i-break out yung levels na to. 2080 to I guess 2150.
Yeah. Though it's a rejection candle today, pero I think it's good naman.
Yeah. Ngayon lang, no? Ngayon lang.
Yeah.
Heavy rejection siya. So, goods. MWC, nice watch, guys. I guess home would be the next. Because ang daming naka-bottom pick nito eh. If I'm not mistaken. So, home. What about you? Home.
Home, yeah, nag-breakout siya kanina. And ang maganda sa stock na to is may volume siya. Very liquid. And then parang ang taas ng volatility niya.
Mhm.
So, good money. Pero it's from a downtrend. So, it's a hard trade. And currently approaching na sa resistance level.
Yeah, first resistance level at 240. Meron pa ba sa left side nito? Or ito na yung
I think this is all-time low. From all-time low.
Grabe, no? From all-time low, it's giving around 50%. But same thing rin naman if you're trading uptrend. Let's say, for example, you were able to get now. That's still, from here, break out to here, it's still at 60%. You're gonna look at blue,
easier trade.
which is easier trade. I guess from this breakout to this breakout, 18%. Hindi pala comparable. Apex, about Apex. Apex coming from this, asa ba namili mata? This one, no? Right? Or this one breakout. Currently at around 10%. Was easier to trade siya. Nickel, from this breakout to this breakout, that's 20% or 18%. SSI, currently at, hindi pala masyadong volatile. But then again, easier stocks to trade, easier, you are with the bulls. Home is a downtrend reversal, so in approaching first resistance level. So good job sa mga naka-trade na to. Congratulations. Right now at this level, I'd say for me personally, risk reward wise, ayaw ko na siya.
Yeah.
Dito na levels. The tradable here is this one. This one. Yun lang.
Siguro next play nito would be the Zeus Strike. But medyo malayo pa si MA100.
Yeah. Siguro pwede niyang kaya niyang ganun. Yeah. Sobrang lakas talaga ni Home. Hello from Dubai, Joey B. Latagan. What's up, sir? I hope malamig dyan. Malamig ba yung doon? Mainit pala kasi.
Medyo malamig pa ngayon kasi.
Malamig pa ngayon. Okay. Oh, by the way, before we continue, guys, if you still don't have any account with 2Trade Asia, one of the best brokers in the Philippines, you may click on the link that we will be providing below. Automated orders is there. Lahat ng kailangan nyo andyan. Ikaw na lang ang kulang. Click on the link and register with 2Trade Asia. Nakita mo yung bagong app ng 2Trade dong?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Ako, I'm using it already. It's pretty nice. So, shout out sa
naka-web pa lang ako. Hindi ako masyado magamit ng mobile eh.
Okay.
Baga nahihirapan ako mag-trade kung
It's good for monitoring if you're on the go.
Yes, if nagbabakasyon.
Yeah. So Hans Dumasig, shout out, Boss Yuri. What's up? What's up? Hello sa inyo. And may mga na-miss pa ba tayong stocks?
Meron pa
that
dito. Yung mga Axilum, ng mga nagliliparan.
Oh, Axilum, yun nga napag-usapan kanina na what's happening with this. So nag-breakout si Axilum from here. And then nagkaroon ng volume and then run up. So just be very careful on trading a liquid stock, guys. I know volatility is there. But say for example, if you have it's daily is like around, let's say 5 million na lang. Ayan. 5 million value traded. So make sure yung position sizing mo would be just around 10% of this. Hindi pwedeng 50%. Kasi for example, 50%, 2.5 million, kalahati ng stocks on that day, movers sa'yo galing. Di ba? And then pag bumabagsak siya, walang sumasalo sa cut mo, sa mga shares mo. So just be very careful on trading liquid stocks. You can still trade it, but make sure your position sizing is just right. Okay. So yeah, IDC is very David Go. IDC is very good. Shout out kay Samrick. Meron siya nito. Ewan ko if hawak pa niya. When was that we were talking?
Ano ba yun?
Parang
Yung sa Homecoming ba yun?
Yeah, I think sa Homecoming afterwards.
Homecoming,
after Homecoming. So, meron siyang IDC. Yung hawak niya. So, parang position size for IDC. Also, shout out kay Boss Samrick. Nag-break out to the RSI 70 touch with a very good volume. So, yeah, definitely we'll see a good consolidation and continuation for IDC. All MAs are below prices already. We're gonna take a look at. Ayan. So yeah, definitely IDC is worth a watch. Some stocks like BDO, sila yung nagdadala ng market natin for the past few weeks. The blue chips, BDO, BPI, MBT, JFC. I think Ali is also included. Right?
Yeah.
So, BDO. Yung BDO ko, guys, hindi ako maka-transfer. Down ba yung app? Kanina ko pa tinatry. By the way, sa mga BDO users, may bagong app sila, ha? So, you can check the Apple Store for that. Alright, so...
Baka kaya tumataas dahil sa new app.
Tagal na yung video app na yun. Tagal na yung video app. Yeah. Basura kasi yung previous app na. Sorry. Basura yung previous app na. Ngayon medyo okay na, guys. Take a look at the app. Video app. So, BDO is approaching resistance level on this. Ako, I'll be taking profits already pag nagpunta pa siya sa 131, 130. I'm not gonna hold on to this. Parang goods na sa akin yung mga ganyan na move for a blue chip. 10, 12%, 13%. Goods na yan. For a blue chip stock. Apex is already done, boss. Trend rider. BPI, actually, it's actually the same thing. I won't be trend following this. I'll just sell on momentum for this stock. Any good profit taking would be 120 to 123, I think. Be very good already for me. Kasi I don't want to ride the consolidation. Yung matagal, di ba? 1 month. Kaya mo ba yun? Kaya sa tamang stock?
Kaya sa tamang stock.
Akala ko sa tamang tao. Okay. So I guess it's been a good ride for the Philippine market. Watch out lang kailan mag-retrace si Philippine market for eto. So just a reminder, pag nagkaroon tayo ng retracement, take a look at stocks that are hovering at 382. So those are the usual indicator of a market leader. Tama ba? Ano pa ba yung criteria ng market leader dong?
Ano ba? Yung may ginagamit ka sa, 'di ba, sa TradingView, yung
Other than
RS
that,
line, yung RSS. Yun sa akin.
Volatility, I guess.
Ay, yung MVP ba?
Yeah, MVP.
Okay, yeah. Momentum, volatility, and
Participation.
participation.
Yeah. So, Rika, sabi niya, Ox na app ng BDO. Ox na yung bago. Yung bago ba yan? Hopefully ginagamit mo na yung bago, hindi yung old one. The old one really sucks. Sobrang pangit. The new one is good. So, approve. Pero hindi pa ako matransfer ngayon. Hindi ko sure bakit. Anyways. So, I guess there's not much to discuss here. Everybody's happy, left and right. All is green. Siguro one thing that I'd like to share would be make sure to take profits. Kahit onti lang.
Yeah.
Learn how to sell. Kahit onti lang. One of the hardest things I learned, ewan ko sa'yo but it's actually selling. Kailan ba dapat magbebenta?
Totoo yan. Sobrang hirap niyan. Yung buy, kumbaga, parang may tayo eh. May lessons tayo sa buy. May lessons din naman sa selling, pero the emotions comes in. So, yun. Parang, ay, tataas pa to. Parang gadol.
Yeah, because I think one of the reasons why selling is a bit hard rather than buying is, greed comes in, uncertainty comes in. You'll see that, up na ako ng 5K or up na ako ng 10K. Baka pwede pang 20K to. Parang mga ganon.
Yes.
Right?
Yung hope.
Yeah. And hoping, and so, kunyari, up ka na ng 10K, tapos nag-retrace siya, nag-pullback siya, nag-5K na lang. Hindi mo na kaya i-hold. Sayang naman yung 5K. Benta ko na, baka ma-zero. Then afterwards, it's gonna go up.
Yeah.
Diba? And reach your target price na 15K or maybe 20K.
Minsan, kabalik ka naman. Nag-10K ka na. Nag-5K. So, sabi mo, okay, babalik ka nag-10K tapos angat nag-20K. Tapos, naubos.
Yeah, na-break even naging bato pa.
Na-break even. Tapos, naging cut pa talaga.
That's the worst part. I've experienced that one lately. Nako po. But, then again, it's part of trading. I guess my advice for traders like that is to have your own playbook, to have your own rules. When are you gonna be selling? Like, you need to have an objective. When are you selling? Like, are you selling on strength? Are you selling on trail stuff? Because I've shared this now. A lot of people trade what they see, not what they trade what they think, not what they see. So when I was doing a general consultation with TMP, Team Master Popo, just shout out sa inyo guys. I was telling them that the reason why you're buying something is because of future actions. Sa tingin mo, ano yung magiging future action? So the reason why you're buying here is because you see the stock going here. And all the decisions that you have here, and as long as the stock moves along, is because of this one. It's because you think that it's gonna reach that, it's gonna make you money here, it's gonna make you 20,000, 50,000, and all the decisions that you have ongoing here is based upon here. And I guess that's one of the mistakes of baguhan na trader. All the decisions that you have here would always be on what you see based from risk reward and your setup. Right? So your edge, doon ka magbabase kung bakit ano yung decision mo when it comes to your buying and your cut loss and selling and trade management. Risk reward should be there too. Because dito is uncertainty. This is future and this is uncertain. Hindi mo alam eh.
You have no control over it.
Yes, exactly. You have no control over it. Mag 30% siya, 40%, 50%, wala. But all things, the things that you can control and focus more on to is what is the stock doing right now, right? How will I able to manage it? How will I be able to sell it good, to take profits based from the current actions niya ngayon, and take note also based from the previous move na ginawa niya. Okay, yan lang yung pwede natin makontrol eh. Dito banda sa past, so we need to analyze the past, okay, and also the present to make informed decisions on what to do in the future.
Ang tagal-tagal ka na sa TR, parang ngayon ka palang yun narinig.
Grabe. Grabe naman.
May absent ba akong ano? May absent ba akong
Grabe naman.
webinar?
So, as a trader, ganun yung dapat mong gawin, you know.
Yeah,
Analyze the
it's very
present
ano.
to make, you know, to make good decisions right now and in the future too. So analyze anong nangyari dati, anong nangyayari ngayon, for you to be able to make sound decisions for the future move. Okay? So yes, that's right. Rika, build wins, build confidence. May shoutout kay Rika, by the way. Ang gaganda ng mga trades nila last FGD Friday. So
Yes.
shoutout, madam. Hats off. Very good trades. Naalala mo ba yung mga trade niya? I think,
Oo, naalala ko. Na-trade niya yung home. Yung
all.
home. Naiwan ako. Tapos, na-trade ni Madam Rica.
Okay, very good. Very good job. So shout out kay Madam Rica and to all our students in Trading Republic. By the way, the new batch is ongoing right now. I guess tapos na sila sa Darvas and we'll have
Tonight will be the second part of Darvas box.
tonight. Okay. So and we'll have our Q&A by tomorrow. Shout out kay Boss Emmanuel V. Sasoy, Juicy. Sabi niya. So hopefully magkita-kita ulit tayo, boss. So I guess that's it. There's nothing much to discuss. Congratulations, guys, for staying and never gonna give you up. Hindi na give up sa market, even though our market does not have any shorting, but you've stayed patient and keep on trading. Wag susuko. We'll have our own time, especially if gumanda na yung market, bull market, maybe in the next few months, maybe next year, 2024. So right now, ranging market tayo as what I've expected 2023. I guess that's it. Ikaw, Boss Lando, may mga words of wisdom ka ba or yung gustong sabihin before
Wala na.
we
Sinabi mo na lahat.
Sorry. Okay, thank you very much. Iba talaga yung smile pag inaalagaan na, guys.
Ay, nako.
Iba na talaga yung
Nako.
smile. Iba na yung smile.
Sumasabay
Alright.
sa market.
Sumasabay sa market. Wag naman pag nagdown trend yung market.
Wag
sasabay ka
wag
rin.
naman sana.
Wag naman. Outlier lang. Kapit
Outlier.
lang. All right. So I guess that's it. Thank you very much for listening to us, guys. We'll see you next week. This has been your host. Thank you very much, Boss Lando, for helping me out.
Thank you for having me as well.
All right. This has been your host, Eurlicious. Stay delicious, guys. Babush.
Bye.